Peace and love. Welcome to Sweet Tree Saturday. Take a moment and experience the journey. I am Rashida Sharif, and you can visit my website at rashidasharif.com. Today we are featuring Deep Ocean. This particular masterpiece is created with sponge from the docks in Tarpon Springs, Florida. Real sponge, 100% authentic. We're careful to not get sponge from any diver that's going to destroy the sponge. This piece is all about the ocean findings. Purple Swarovski crystals. Aged silver wire. This particular masterpiece is sculpted with. Beautiful blue starfish tucked inside the sponge. Another tree. This masterpiece can be yours. It sits on a wood base, hand painted. Sand, all things of the ocean. If you are interested in this particular piece, visit my website, rashidasharif.com. Like me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. And by all means, watch my YouTube videos. Peace and love.